The more you are attached with that particular goal or desire or dream in your life, the more you are stuck. And the more you are detached, the more you surrender, the more you are closer to your that desire, dream, or goal. Yes, I am Arpita Bhattacharya, emotional freedom coach. Today, in this video, I'm going to help you with the science behind detachment, surrender, and getting everything right you want in your life. And the simple way how to do that, how to be detached, and how to surrender to get everything what you want. Actually, attachment is like holding sands so hard, so tightly in your hands. The more you are harder with the sand in your hand, you want to stick it to you, the more it loses, right? So, that particular one goal, or maybe it is multiple goals you have in your life, maybe in your health, in your relationships, in your career, or in your financial life, that particular goal you are holding so tightly, so tightly, so tightly that it is going away from you. Do you know why? Because you are giving lot of negative emotions with this attachment. Yes, dear, you had it right. It likes releasing the sands. The more you release the sands, the more the sands will stick to you. Yes, this is so simple. Let me explain it to you very clearly and very simply. Okay. So, suppose, take one goal. Suppose you have any career goal. You have all the potentiality to go to the next level of your career, or might be you are in a job, but you want your dream job to get attracted to you. You have all the capacity. You deserve actually that position or that job or that business, that designation in your life, but you are not getting it. For long, long years, you are stuck in the same position. Is it the same thing happening with you? Okay, I can understand it, dear, because I spent my 10 years of my career. 10 years, yes, not one, not two, not three. It is 10 years I spent in my career with this attachment. Yes, and going nowhere because whenever you are too attached with your goals, actually, my guru helped me with that wonderful science of detachment and surrender. And after that, when I start learning that detachment, I start practicing the detachment. Believe me, dear, everything starts attracted to me very easily, very effortlessly. So let universe chase you instead of chasing universe for your goals and dreams. So what happens when you are so attached with your goals? It gives you lot of negative emotions, like simply in that career you want the post but you are not getting it, and then all the limiting beliefs are playing inside your subconscious mind. All the fear, what if I don't get the job, what if I don't get promoted, when it will happen, how it will happen. So a lot of mixed negative emotions are running in your subconscious mind when you are so attached with that goal, right? Fear, fear of not having that, fear of losing that. Okay, desperation, overwhelm, all the negative emotions. What do you think when you vibrate in the frequency of not having something? When you will vibrate in the frequency of desperation, you will vibrate in the frequency of fear of losing something, not having something. So, is it the right frequency you want to attract in your life, dear? No, no. Actually, when you're thinking, I want that, and you are affirming it, you are visualizing it, it means you are saying all the things positive, I know, but In your mind, the limiting beliefs are playing, and the belief is that all the emotions are playing. How, when, all the desperation, it is keeping you in a loop of, it is a sense of not having something, right? Not having something. It means lack. It is a strong frequency of lack. Yes. So attachment, it is a strong frequency of feeling lack. So now you tell me, is it feasible for the universe to give you that thing you want in your life when you are vibrating in the frequency of lacking something? No, of course not. So the easiest way is detach. No, I'm not saying here ki just forget about that. No, detachment is not about forgetting. It is about let go. Instead of holding it so tightly, instead of getting desperate, it is let go. Detachment is letting go. So now you may think, oh, I let go of my dreams. No, dear, you are not letting go your dreams. You are letting go all the negative emotions, all the limiting beliefs. And the easiest way to let go is surrender. Do you know, when we get desperate, when we think we don't have something, we are lacking something, when we are disconnected with the universe, when we forget that we are always taken care of, that is the moment we feel something lacking in life. We get desperate, we get so attached with those goals instead of looking all the things we have. So just surrender, believe it. The thing you want in your life, it is coming on the right time, in the right place, in the right moment to you, of course. So surrender to the process, create the intention कि you want that, and surrender to universe. Universe will give you. Universe will start chasing you if you surrender and if you detach. So the first step is surrender. The second step is, oh, to surrender, just practice that one affirmation whenever you feel so attached, so clumsy with that goal. To surrender, just keep your right hand on your heart, look up to the universe, close your eyes, and say, oh, dear universe, I know I am always taken care of. Thank you for everything. I know I am always taken care of. Thank you for everything. I know I am always taken care of. Thank you for everything. So, this is the first step. The second step of detachment is so simple. Sit, write the goal. First, write the goal with which you are so attached. Write the goal and for a moment close your eyes and just imagine, suppose you got this. Then what will be the emotion for you? How you feel after getting that thing? Happy, content, fulfilled, secured, proud, peace, whatever it is. Feel the emotion right now. Feel the emotion right now as if you are so happy, so content, so peaceful for what you have already in your life. First, create the emotion inside you, practice the emotion inside you. Instead of always getting puzzled for getting the things, instead of always getting desperate for the things, instead of feeling lack for that things, just start practicing fulfillment and containment. So, what is the affirmation? Close your eyes, keep your right hand on your heart. Look up to the universe one more time and say with me, dear universe, I am happy and satisfied. And whatever emotion you want, I am peaceful, I am content and fulfilled with everything in my life as it is right now. Dear universe, I'm happy and satisfied, fulfilled and contained with everything I have in my life exactly the way it is right now. So, this is the second step. And step number 3 is to surrender, to detach. Just do hope, nope, no. For not surrendering to universe, say sorry. I am sorry, dear universe, for not trusting you 100%. Please forgive me for not allowing all the negative emotions. Those are creating me desperate, restless, feeling lack from my subconscious mind. Please forgive me. Thank you so much for deleting all the negative emotions in your divine way. Thank you so much, dear divine, for always taking care of me. Thank you, dear divine, for holding my hands one more time. Thank you for reminding me about the power of surrender. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Yes, do this Ho'oponopono every day, twice a day, to feel connected more with the universe and to release all the negative emotions which are creating lot of struggles in your way. So these are the 3 steps to detached, to practice detachment, to expertise that particular skill of detachment, that particular skill. Please practice it and allow the universe to chase you, to give you all the things you want. Uh, till now, you were getting desperate. You were so attached with those. But from now, after seeing this video, just practice detachment and allow and feel all the emotions inside you, those you want to feel actually, and allow the universe work for you. Just remember, to get everything what you want in your life, you have to do the simple one thing, that is surrender and getting aligned with the universal power. Whenever you are aligned with the universe starts giving you the signals. And if you are aligned and if you are peaceful, relaxed condition by your mind, then you are able to identify the signals coming from the universe. And of course, if you work on that process, if you walk on the path that universe is showing you, everything will comes to you effortlessly. So start it, practice it, and see the magic. If you find the video helpful, kindly give below the comments actually what you are feeling, what after practicing, what is your result. Give it in the comments. I am waiting to see, waiting to read all the comments coming from you. And if you feel this video really helpful, please send this video at least 3 people to your family and friends, those actually need this video. And press the like button and press the bell icon. If you are not still the subscriber of my channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I am giving my next video. So till then, bye bye. Stay tuned with the universal force by aligning you, and just keep practicing detachment and surrender to getting everything in your life. Bye bye. Love you.